Meaning of GDP.
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 GDP. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, which is a measure of the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders over a specific period of time, usually a year. It is considered an important indicator of a country's economic performance. GDP includes private consumption, government spending, investments, and exports minus imports. Economists use GDP to analyze and compare economic growth between countries or regions. However, it has been criticized for not taking into account factors such as income inequality, environmental degradation, and unpaid labor, which can have significant impacts on people's well-being.